Guys, Running Kimono here, and even before we dive into the awesome deal starting on the 29th of November over at Walgreens, we're going to take a really quick second to talk about the Fetch Rewards app. Well, guys, of all the apps, this one is my favorite. As you could see, I went to Walgreens yesterday, spent a little bit of money, and got back 188 points. I mean, these points amount towards gift cards, and you can earn them very quickly. You can photograph receipts any store with itemized receipts and collect those points. And points amount towards gift cards. They have just under, I think, 200 gift cards in their gallery. And right now, right through December, they often have like really good incentives of points back or freebies. If you're trying to butt out, look at these ones for Nicorette. I mean, that's amazing. So if you've never heard of this app, sign up today. You just have to photograph a receipt. It could be anything, a pack of gum that you bought last week or an Egg McMuffin you bought this morning. Use my referral code. It's right there at the top of the screen. And when you submit your first receipt, again, it could be anything. You're going to be given 2,000 points or $2. Gift cards start at 3,000 points or $3. So you're probably going to get a Dunkin' Donuts gift card this afternoon. So if you're interested, check out the link in the notes. It's a terrific app. You guys will love it. Okay, so these coupons that we were finding on the top of our digital coupons folder, not every account get it, so please don't come for me if you didn't get it. But the more you shop, the more of these that you get. The first one is a 5 off of 8. And the second one is a 10 off of 20, and these will be activated starting on Sunday morning. So they're not ready as of yet because they're still a sneak peek, but if you loaded both of them, those are the denominations. I have a friend that works for Walgreens, and she shared that with me. So straight from the horse's mouth, I thought it would be 5 off of anything and 10 off of anything. Hey, I live in fantasy land over here, but it's actually for those denominations, an $8 or $20 basket. Looking at the cover here, the gifts of the week at 50% off. You have that beautiful makeup kit for $9.99. So the original price point is $20, so they cut it in half. You have the little s'mores kit, the kisses, sugar cookie kisses, I guess, inside of there. Kind of cute. And then a whole bunch of kids' toys. So again, looking at the price points for the s'mores maker and s'mores maker is $19.99. So originally closer to $40, down to $20. That would make a great white elephant gift. I think so. And then that little Kisses cup is down 50% to $4.99. So the first deal that we're going to talk about, and this is a month-long deal, no more messing around with IVC coupons. It's on a buy one, get one 50% off promotion for the Scott's and Kleenex. Now, I do know that a lot of you, for you to get 2 paper products, that might be impossible, but if you can swing it, try and make this happen, because we're all trying to stock up on paper products. Let's try and use this 5 off of 8. Why not? I think that if I had to use this on any sort of item in the store, I would absolutely try to get paper products, just because I think it's the smartest use of that. So make sure you have this guy loaded, and let's look at the math again. Grabbing 2 of the Scott's paper products, remember, it's on a buy one, get one 50% off, so that's $7.50. And then let's grab a lollipop at checkout for 57 cents. So your new total is $8.07. Subtracting that 5 off of 8 coupon, you're left with paying $3.07 for the 2, or $1.53 for each. Photograph this to your Fetch Rewards app, because Kimberly-Clark is part of their catalog. You will get back extra points for that. And I mean, this is awesome. $1.53 for a 12-pack of toilet paper. Have I died and gone to heaven? This is amazing. If you are nervous about this deal, wait for me. I will absolutely be doing this one on Sunday morning with bells on if I can track down 2 Scotts or a Kleenex and a Scott. Okay, guys, so we have a $2 coupon off of a $2 Hallmark gift card. This is a $2 off of 1. This is the coupon you're looking to load. So, in the holiday section, they have those longer ones that you can put money or gift cards in. Grab one of those for $2. Subtracting that $2 digital, you're paying tax. I was messing around with a 2 off of 2 yesterday. That was not working anyway, shape or form, but this guy showed up for me. So load this coupon. It's 1 free Hallmark gift card. I mean, that's kind of nice. It's a really good little dealio, so I'm very happy with that. Okay, the next deal is with the Colgate. It's $2.99. There's going to be a $1 digital coupon, probably one in the inserts too, and then a $4 register reward when you buy 2. Looking at the math for this one, grab 2 tubes of toothpaste for $5.98, subtracting the $1 digital and 1 from the Sunday inserts. You're left with paying $3.98 out of pocket. getting back a $4 register reward, making it free. If you wish to use some Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, you can absolutely do that. So what a great little deal this is. Okay, now let's look at an Oral-B deal. These guys are $4 a pop. There'll be a 3 off of 2 digital coupon and then a $4 register reward when you buy 2 of these products. So the Crest, Oral-B, that good stuff. Check Ibotta if there might be a rebate too for the Oral-B toothbrushes. Maybe we can make it better. So grabbing, say, 1 Crest and 1 Oral-B, if you want to shake it up, that's $8. Subtracting that 3 off a 2 digital coupon, you're left with paying $5 out of pocket, getting back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per product. And if you wish to use Walgreens cash, absolutely go for it. Okay, so now we're talking about the Blink the contact lens solution drops. Shout out to the many subscribers who were talking about this in the last week. I don't wear contacts, so I'm sorry I was asleep at the wheel with this. In the new December Big Book, we have a $4 off of one of these drops, so get the cashier to scan that. New Big Book of Savings also starting on Sunday. And then from the Smart Source of October the 25th, we have a $3 coupon. This guy's expiring on the 30th, so you have to do this deal by Monday. So grabbing one of those Blink drops for $7.29, subtracting the $4 IVC and the $3 coupon, you're left with paying 29 cents for the drops. So if you could track down that coupon, if you might have the insert, maybe make this deal happen if you use drops. Okay, so looking at this, guys, we have a Tide Liquid and a Tide Pod. So there will be two $2 coupons starting on Sunday for that. They're $4.99. This detergent's usually like $6 or $7. It's made out of gold. So grabbing one of those, subtracting the $2 digital manufacturer, you're left with paying $2.99 on the nose for a product that's just under $7. That's some pretty significant savings. Okay, so let's look at that deal again using the 5 off of 8 coupon. Grabbing 2 of the Tide, so a pod and a liquid, that's $9.98. Subtracting that 5 off of 8, plus 2 $2 manufacturers for the Tide Liquid and the Tide Pods, you're left with paying 98 cents out of pocket for the 2, 49 cents per product. Hi, that is a very good deal. So either I would go with the Scott or this. It's an either or sort of situation, but to pay 49 cents for Tide, that's like winning and dancing in the end zone. Okay, now we have a little deal on the Reese's Kit Kat single serve Hershey's, 79 cents. And there will be a 79-cent off a 2 coupon showing up on Sunday morning. So you would have to load that. So looking at this deal, grab 2 of the Reese's. I'm just going to go with that one. That's $1.58. Subtracting the 79-cent off a 2, you're left with paying 79 cents for the 2 or 39 cents per candy bar. This is a really nice little stocking stuffer if you have a Reese's or a Hershey's fan in your family. And the last deal we're going to talk about is the Gillette Fusion 5. It's going to be $9.99. We have a $2 digital coupon and a $4 register reward when you buy one of these. So just for fun, let's throw in this, which is the 5 off of 8. And remember, this is of a one-time use, so you pick the Razor, the Tide, or the Scott, whichever deal you want to do, but you can only use this coupon the one time. So looking at this, grabbing a Razor for $9.99, subtracting the $2 digital along with the 5 off of 8. You're left with paying $2.99 out of pocket, getting back a $4 register reward, making it free plus a $1 money maker. And if you wish to use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, absolutely go for it. Okay, guys, so we're just going to talk about some quick honorable mentions. As I mentioned at the top of the video, this is a new month. So on the 1st, which is a Tuesday, is 20% off of seniors, and this is off of regular priced merchandise. But hey, still some significant and deep savings just for regular priced items over at Walgreens. And then the kids' toys are on a buy 2, get 1 for free selected kids' toys, along with batteries. So if you have a lot of electronics or stuff like, with batteries that you need, this might be a time to stock up. That stuff is so expensive. So that might be something to consider. 25% off is nothing to sneeze at. And then moving it along, we have the Heineken Stella Artois, $12.99. We have a $5 mail-in rebate, so you would pay for that and then get back the mail-in rebate from the Catalina machine. You'd have to send it off to the manufacturer, and they will mail you back a check. Okay, so different sodas, 3 for $10.99 for the Coke and Pepsi, the good stuff. Remember, Pepsi is part of Fetch Rewards, so photograph your receipt if you're buying a lot of Pepsi, and 3 for $8.99 for the 7-Up, Dr. Pepper, A&W, that good stuff. The Reese's, basically 2 for $6, subtracting an IVC and a manufacturer coupon. You're left with paying 2 for $4, so they're $2 per bag. Again, if this is something you want to put in somebody's stocking or somebody really loves Reese's peanut butter cups, what a great gift. And this, I'm not sure if those cookies will be $2.99. If that's if they're $2.99 for either the pirouettes or the butter cookies, that would be a really good deal. But if they jump back up to $5.99, that's not such a great deal, but definitely one to watch out for. And also a buy one get one free for a nice spaghetti dinner, and the ground beef for $2.99. If you've had issues where beef has just been cleared at your grocery store, you might want to consider going to Walgreens. Their bacon, ground beef, they do have a lot of it always in stock, so it might be a place to find meat on the cheap. And the final item we're talking about is this little coupon. You can either load it digitally or you probably scan it off of your phone. 99 cents for these complete home, the paper plates, aluminum foil, that good stuff. So get the cashier to scan the flyer coupon and it drops down to 99 cents. As always, thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys.